What is going on, y'all? Captain Namco here. Welcome back to another vacuum video. And here's a vacuum we ought to visit again. Got this out of the garbage over at my uncle's on December 5th of 2021. So I've had this vacuum just over 2 years. It hasn't been ran in over a year. So let's see how well it's still good, if it still even runs. Not bad at all. Awesome. There it goes. My light even still works too. Cool. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see y'all next time. And as always, before I go, I always want to remind y'all, Jesus loves you, and have a great day, everybody.